Right. As always, I'm sorry that okay, but finally I'm here. It's on the phase where everything market very the breakout market will become so confusing. Everybody will be very out of the market. Right. Always tell after breaking market pump all time there one tally complete best back to good uh, market pattern. Like I always know that that's always does that. That's why we are forming a pattern. Go to Bitcoin on the daily that market is on days we have been creating, right? All these things from the creation of the top and now the market has actually pattern 4 hours pattern what we're supposed to expect from market. But because we already know that the market does not just go like this, and we already know that the market always and yesterday they tried to do, but I am sure that have some loss to take. We still take one on all those things out. So I'm expecting today, despite the market is already for watch your chart, you see that most of the chart is already pumping. Asta did a very wonderful dump today and it's kind of bouncing. A whole lot of them are bouncing already, but Bitcoin cannot uh, move from here. So until Bitcoin will give that, give the entire market permission for a ride, or they will move. So at the moment, all we are waiting for, we are just waiting market about 24 hours. So the market has formed a pattern for a breakout, right? But uh, we have already seen many times where Bitcoin does not. So I'm expecting a very crazy dump that will bounce the market. If if we see this and claim this low, likely see break out, a kind of a speed dump and reject. Yeah, market. This pattern is already what we're waiting for. And by then this pattern will become. So I say put all eyes on the market. All eyes on breakout. Market is almost to watch banner hours. You see pattern is here. Watch Ethereum. Everything is ready for it. Watch Ethereum. Ethereum has even done its. Okay, now look at Ethereum. What Ethereum did after this. This on one. What Ethereum is one of the last movement. I'm expecting Ethereum to come and give us this. I'm expecting Ethereum to give us 4001. This place I put this. Ethereum to just put your eyes. Okay. Okay. Move. Hyperlipid. Everything. All waiting for uni. Now it's taking some because of this and so now is trying to another pattern. Right now we're expecting just a little retest. But this happening this all of them from this morning. You know, I think saw why is this morning? They already market Asta. Yeah, Asta has actually Asta is so that Asta is not once Bitcoin give us this final dump, Asta will come pattern. Okay. Tango for your dog. All of them are and a very sweet movie. Okay, and and Anna. So let's say hello to the community. John, I see you. How are you doing? What is he speaking? Again today. Why is this thing doing always? Why is my voice this thing is from this OBS studio. What could be the cause of this from OBS? Or probably I'm not speaking loud now because I'm not so loud. That is why the thing is not. That's why it's always cutting. But I just I believe that those on Facebook they will be hearing me very well than on because Facebook is not connected to this OBS. So probably those on Facebook hearing me very well. All right, so let's say hello to those on X. Let's see those on X. How are you people doing, my people on X? How is everything going? Let's say hello to the beautiful community on X. Who is here? 82 persons on X. Okay. I've not seen any comment yet from X other than YouTube. Okay, so let's continue. Let's go ahead. Let's move on. Let's move on. So let's see what is happening with USDT dominance. What is of the USDT dominance? What are we going to expect on USDT dominance? Are we having a rejection this weekend, or the market going to still pump? So let's see. WLD also made a good pump this morning. WLD pumped good this morning and also ready for a move. So just get ready, because altcoins are, most of the altcoins are well positioned, just facing this resistance. Once Bitcoin take them down again today, and the pass and or waiting for Bitcoin to the last leg of the dump, because even Bitcoin himself is waiting for himself. Bitcoin actually is also waiting for himself to start the move. Okay, so the 4 hours is closing in the next 19 minutes, and that is when we're going to expect the first 12 hours candle to close, and the next 12 hours candle will open. Okay, so let's see the next USDT dominance. What is the future of the market on the daily? So USDT dominance, you can see after this pattern now is forming a rejection. It's about forming a rejection because of this pump yesterday rejected. If this USDT dominance give us this dodgy, okay, if you give us this dodgy, that means Bitcoin breakout will probably be by weekend. Anytime you see this on this heat map, anytime you see such a thing on heat map, let me refresh again and show you. I know that those watching on X, that my picture is blocking you, though. I understand, but I believe you'll be seeing it a bit. Let me refresh and see what is the heat map saying. So USDT dominance at the moment, I know that this pattern cannot take us up here. No, I'm very sure of this. A good pattern, yes. Very nice pattern, very nice move. But I'm aware that it cannot move us to this resistance, because Bitcoin is supposed to pump, take this man downward to come and claim this low, or we could reject and make any pump. I don't know, is this thing from my network or what? Okay, so look at this. Anytime you see USD, this heat map is having, this is 120.96 million dollars. This is 103.19 million dollars, and the chart is moving here. The chart is busy moving inside here. It's not liquidating both up and down. Just know that breakout is very close. The market breakout is very, very close. Anytime you see such a thing happening. Let me take my picture up a bit. Take my picture up a bit for you people to see it. Those that are watching from this. So anytime you see such a thing, such an alignment, you see liquidity hit, liquidity pool, liquidity pool, and you see some pool up here, see some pool down here. Anytime you see this, and the market create this kind of space, and the candle is making a higher high and a higher low, it's not liquidating anyone, it's not taking any money yet. Just know that the breakout is very, very near. The market is going to break out pretty soon. Anytime you see this kind of thing happening, just know that the market is about to break out. So just be aware that the market breakout is coming pretty soon. So get ready. market breakout, because it's going to happen like a thief in the night. I hope you know Bitcoin. You know how Bitcoin behave. Once Bitcoin started giving you dumping vibes, once Bitcoin is busy giving you dumping vibe, dumping, smarting dump, be aware that the reversal is close. Just be aware that the reversal is very, very close, right? So USDT dominance is having a kind of, it rejected yesterday here. We were supposed to have a pump on USDT dominance. We're supposed to take these highs and reject. But I know that it's going to happen. It's because of this thing that is happening here. That is why this candle has not moved. It will be like this around getting to our midnight, Asia midnight, which will be around New York opening. You will not see a breakout. That's going to be, first of all, it's going to give you a false breakout. You will not have a false breakout where USD dominance will make a spike, pump. Then Bitcoin will give you a massive dump. That is going to be a fake out. Bitcoin will be giving you a dump. And this guy now will be approaching up here. Then it will go and hit resistance and reject and start dumping. While Bitcoin himself will give you a strong dump. Then some people will be so scared, have option than to go and start shorting. You know, they'll start shorting the market. That is how the market makers used to fake out the people once they want to break out. Next thing that will happen is you will now see a reversal, a strong reversal with a strong confirmation of liquidity on the candle, very heavy volume. You see a very heavy volume reversal candle rejecting, like what you see what happened yesterday on the. You see this yesterday. You see that after this dump was happening yesterday, the market rejected. This kind of rejection right here. This is kind of rejection that when it happened today, because once they'll come and take this low, give you that heavy dump, and they'll take the low of yesterday, they will reject. But first of all, they want to fake you out, show you that they are going down. Next thing is up, because the market has already formed a pattern. All it's just waiting for is a breakout. And this man here, this daily here, you will see it rush and take this low. Rush and take the lows of yesterday and reject and form a reversal pattern. By tomorrow, next tomorrow, the market is changing direction. For now, get ready. The market is about to break out. Well position. Most of the chart is looking very, very good already. You can see BCH looking good. You can see this BNB, Ethereum, they are all set for a ride. Okay, so just get ready. Just also be informed. Bitcoin dominance itself was pumping all this while. That is why you see Bitcoin dumping most of the altcoin. That's why you saw them dumping so crazily, because Bitcoin dominance was still pushing up. But right now we are already having a rejection because Bitcoin dominance failed to break out of this trend line. And it's already showing us this is a very, very strong candle to show that money in the market, big liquidity is in the market, so that whales are buying. This is whales. That is, the whales are buying up the market. So you should get ready, because there will be a heavy pump for Bitcoin, where Bitcoin will be making the pump. They will be coming up little by little, while tomorrow or next tomorrow or Monday, you now see this guy will start dropping slowly as he's doing right now. All right. So this is an encouragement to tell you that there is big money in the market. This is the candle. Shows there is a big liquidity in the market. Whales have accumulated Bitcoin a lot. So Bitcoin is going to break out. And once it break out, it's going to be running so fast, because you can see they are buying all this while. You see, these are whales buying up. They are all buying Bitcoin, you see. So they just sold two times. They just sold 1, 2, 3, and Bitcoin dumped. All right. So they are buying up the market. Just get ready for this breakout that is coming. Bitcoin is going to give you a very fast movement. So position, put your eye on the chart. Once you see that fake out and reject, you know that it's time for you to enter the movement. All right, because there will be a fake out and there will be a rejection. You look at ENA on the 4 hours and the daily. ENA is already positioned for a movement. Very sweet movement on 4 hours. ENA is already at $3.1. All right, so most of the projects are eager for a movement. A whole lot of them. So get positioned, balance well, get ready, all eyes on the chart, because the market is not going to wait for you. This movement is not going to wait for you. It's going to be very fast. Wells they have accumulated more Bitcoin since they get ready for the movement coming very soon in the market. All right. DM Neka. Hey, how are you doing? You. Okay, so that is it for me. Get ready for this breakout that is coming very soon in the market. I'm expecting a dump. I'm expecting a strong dump, a strong fake out dump. Probably take out this lows of yesterday, and they give us a rejection, and the pump will start. So Bitcoin pump is going to be very aggressive because Bitcoin has actually done some little retest and took some liquidity from the downside. So once we see this fake out dump, the market in the next 9 minutes, the market will be opening. Next 9 minutes, market is opening. The new 4 hours, which is the next 12 hours. These 12 hours, first 12 hours is closing in the next 8 minutes 47 8 minutes 47. Yeah, 8 minutes 40 seconds. 8 minutes 40 seconds to close the next 12 hours. Then another 12 hours is going to open. This 8 minutes is going to be 1 p.m. UK time, which is African time, right? It's going to be 1 p.m. for these 4 hours to be over. Then the next 4 hours that's going to open is a new 12 hours. Inside that 12 hours, we're going to see some crazy movements in the market, because that's where all this movement is going to happen. Okay, so this reversal pattern already formed, but they don't always give us this anymore, unless they want to do it today. But I know that they must give us a fake out. They must give us this fake out, and they will reverse. So get ready. In the next few hours, the market will be in a very volatility. There will be a reversal. There will be a rejection. There will be so many things that going to happen in the market. Bitcoin is going to give us a very sharp movement in the next 12 hours coming in the next 7 minutes. So get ready for this position. Position very well. Put your eye on any altcoin that you prefer, or you think you like the movement. Put your eye there, because the rejection can help you to buy the low. You can be able to buy the low. Once, if Bitcoin can give us this dump, you can buy the lows. All right, most coins are already pumping already, but get ready for the rejection that's going to happen very soon. Move and give us a fake out. All right, you can see even Cardano is already ready for a move. CFAT coin, they are set. All is ready for a ride upside. All right, so get position, get ready. It's going to happen. Look at Dog. Dog has already done 3% inside this closing time. So just put your attention, pay attention to the market right now. Just pay attention. The reversal is about to take place pretty soon. In case you see a heavy dump, don't worry. While you pay attention to the rejection, while the market is dumping, just pay attention to the rejection. That rejection is what is important, because the dump right today likely going to be a fake out. So it's going to be a massive dump coming. So just claim this low. Dump is just to claim this low, and this one. What is that one? This one also. Then you see a rejection in between the dump. That is how the pump will start. Because I told you that USDT dominance on the weekly. This USDT dominance on the weekly is a bearish pattern. So we cannot have total pump for USDT dominance this week. So that's why you can see this week on this candle, and you can see this week we cannot have a total pump for USDT dominance. because this candle is bearish. All right. So because of that bearish nature, we are going to still have, it shows that we are going to have a pump on Bitcoin. So watch out this week. You can see all this liquidity. In case you are shorting or in case you're on the short, be careful. See this liquidity, see this one. Market will take both of them very soon. They will spike, take this low, take this high, this high. So if you have money in the market or you are shorting, just watch out the market. There will be very sharp volatility coming in the market in the few hours coming from now. Few hours from now, you're going to see a very high volatility in the market. So get ready, get position, and watch out in the market what is coming very soon. Okay, so just be ready, be prepared, put your eyes in the market, and make sure that you catch the lows. All right, catch the lows, catch the lows, catch the lows. You can see what Solana is already moving. Meanwhile, we're about to go. Bitcoin is going to push it down more, but Solana is already well positioned. Solana this morning did very good dump to 117. Now it has gone to 221. I believe that Bitcoin is going to dump it more. Just put your eye for the low. Target Solana around. Don't know how bad Bitcoin is going to dump it today. Solana has all. Unless there's a CME gap, this let's say this candle around 212 to maybe there's a CME gap inside that place. Solana has actually this I've taken just this candle. Because it's a value gap. So there might be a CME gap inside this candle. Then on Ethereum, I'm expecting Bitcoin to take Ethereum down as 4.1. There's a CME gap here. Ethereum has a CME gap right here inside this pump that happened. They're doing the pump of last weekend. I'm expecting Bitcoin to give Ethereum a very good dump very soon. You can claim this of 4.17. So put your eye in the market and watch out for the rejection of this market right now. There will be a rejection while the market is dumping. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you very much. I'm gonna see all of you again tomorrow. Sorry for coming late. Let me go and watch Zion program. So stay cool, stay safe, and make sure that your eyes is on your charts. Whatever you are doing, eyes on the chart, focus on the chart, because Bitcoin is about to go down. The market reversal is here. Don't allow them to repeat what they do to you at 109. They do it again to you. You might not catch this one. Remember, I told you that anytime any Bitcoin now, what Bitcoin is going to do now, first of all, you see this thing, take out this low and take out this high. So if Bitcoin reject and take out this low and reverse, see the target here, 125,000, I'll be 126k, 126.3. So, brethren, you are in the market because Bitcoin is about to come on its highs. After this rejection and taking this low, next thing is here. So Bitcoin might not give you more chance today and tomorrow, because we are going into the weekend, and you know that weekend pump used to be very, very, very fast. It used to be very fast. It does not give chance to be able to create some CME gaps while it's pumping. So weekend pump used to jump. That's how it does create all those CME gaps. Just get ready and get active in the market. This guy is also pumping his port. It have rejected from the dump, pumping before, and it has started moving. So 1 minute to close these 12 hours. We have 1 minute to close these 12 hours, and there is almost all the candles are looking pretty good. All of them are almost looking pretty good. They are all looking pretty good. 1 minute 54 seconds to close. They are all looking strong. Solana close like this. It's not looking good. Candle Bitcoin dump is very, very, very active. I mean, very soon, Bitcoin is going to give us some fake out very soon. So prepare for this fake out and for the pump coming. So I'm expecting a fake out. It's a very strong dump. The nearest this massive dump. I'll claim all this region. Be actively in the market unless you don't have any coin you want to enter. But if you want to catch the low, just be active. The new 4 hours is opening already. It has opened. All right, open already. So we have started a new 12 hours. First 12 hours of the day has closed. We used to have 24 hours for the day. So we have 24 hours that make up the crypto market every day. First 12 hours has successfully closed. And Bitcoin closed on a green candle. Very strong green movement, right? So indicating for you that the bullish is coming. But it will be giving you opposite of this candle. It will be giving you bearish because you want to pump. It's showing you a bearish movement because it's about to pump. So the vibe you're going to be getting now in this second 12 hours now is a bearish vibe. That is to deceive you, give you a fake out and move up. So get ready. The breakout is coming very soon. Market volatility coming pretty soon. So be active. Watch out. All eyes on your charts. Let's see how it's gonna be. Okay. All eyes on the charts. All eyes on the chart. Let's go. So GM, every one of you, let's enjoy the next 12 hours of the market and see what is going to come out of the next 12 hours. Have a beautiful day to every one of you on X. Every one of you watching us on X. I appreciate you. 255 persons watching on X. Appreciate all of you. And those of you on Facebook. I mean also those of you on YouTube. I appreciate all of you coming. Right? Very much. Make sure that you share, comment, write to your friends, tell them at least this is bull run. If you cannot, if you have a friend, even if the person have $100 or $50, tell the person to put in this bull run, because by next week, next 2 weeks, even the market woman or the market women, they will not start hearing that there is something that is called bull run, because this first Bitcoin move was not noisy, but this second one I want to move now, it's going to push altcoin, so it's likely going to be noisy in the whole world, where a market woman is going to hear about bull run. So if you have a friend that you might help who is interested, because you cannot force them, most people are still believing that crypto is a scam. So if you have anyone who believes, they can just put $50 or $100 and try. They can buy any coin and try, because in the next 3 weeks coming from now, there will be a very crazy market volatility. So this doesn't come always. This is for 4 years. So you should not miss out this opportunity. All right, this is a life-changing opportunity. All right. So if you have opportunity to make, I know that people are scared of crypto because it does burn people's money. Yes, crypto can eat your money. Crypto can make you broke, but it can still make you rich. And there is nothing that can make you as rich as crypto. But you just have to be patient. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's something that you take time, but it will show you. So guys, stay active in the market and watch these 12 hours that just got open, right? We are about going to have the last phase of the market, where we're going to see a fake out. Okay, so fake out is coming very soon. You're going to see market volatility coming very soon. You're going to see market now very fast. From now to the next 12 hours, from now to the next Asia opening, market is going to be very fast. High volatility coming into the market. Bitcoin dump coming very soon. Bitcoin pump coming very soon. There will be up and down, accumulation, distribution, everything is going to happen because this is UK time and the New York just got open. So in the next few hours now, New York will take over the market, and this is the last candle of UK section. So the manipulation is going to get done very soon, and the Bitcoin distribution is going to take place very soon. So get ready. There will be so many crazy things happening right now. Manipulation, everything is going to happen. You're going to see a very high volatility in the market. You're going to see market pumping and dumping, pumping and dumping. You're going to see crazy things. Just anything that is happening, just focus. If you know any coin you want to buy, just keep your eye there. Keep your eye there. As long as that coin has formed this pattern, as long as you see something like this, just put your eye there. The coin is about to move. As long as the coin has ready watching you, your eye is about to move. Your eye there. Get the low. Look for the lows. Like this one now, like this penguin now. Put your eye under this lows. Because penguin is going to come and take this low. Once you take this lows now, then you put your eye and see where it's going to reject. Once it rejects, next thing is a pump. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you very much, every one of you. Enjoy your day. Gonna see you guys again. Bye for now.